Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Teams. Today I'll show you how to add a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Let's start now. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, then click to add first slide. Then go to new slide and click here and select a theme. Then you can see already add second number slide. For better understanding, we're changing first slide. You can see this is second slide. You can use shortcut for add a new slide. Control M. When you press Control M, Control Shift M, add a new slide. So shortcut is Control plus Shift plus M. This is the shortcut for adding a new slide. So if you want to add a new slide, go to new slide option and click here and select a theme. What you want to add, select this theme and new slide is added. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.